Welcome to Garden Savvy. In today's video, we are doing an overview of a business level account. If you are unsure if your business is already listed on Garden Savvy, search for its name in the search bar. If your business appears and you have not claimed it, click "Is this your business?" then complete the form. If you have not registered your business on Garden Savvy, select "Get Listed," fill out the form, and wait for approval. After approval, select "Log In" to access your account. From the dashboard, you can see click data, reviews, and any forum messages. On the left, you can access the Garden Manager to manage personal inventory, other suppliers, guides, communities, and create notes. On Business Details, you can edit your public listing, certifications, and your ordering and shipping options. Order history and subscriptions is where you upgrade your account to Garden Savvy Certified. By upgrading your account, you ensure your account is always listed above non-certified listings. You also earn a golden badge on your listing and one for your website. Our data shows certified listings on average receive 200 to 300% more clicks. Attract new customers or members to your business with Garden Savvy Certified. In the Reviews tab, you can see any customer reviews. We recommend you notify your existing customer base to visit your listing on Garden Savvy to write you a positive review. Accounts with high review numbers see 50% to 100% more clicks than those without reviews. The Forum tab is where you can monitor your public postings on the forum. And the Edit Profile button is where you can change your login email, password, and public name when posting on a forum. If you have any questions regarding your account, upgrading your listing to certified, how to change which categories your listing is displaying under, or any questions regarding advertising, writing, sponsored posts on Garden Savvy, or joining our affiliate program where you can earn money with Garden Savvy, please email your interest to info@gardensavvy.com.